Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to find employees who are all getting max salary on each department wise. We are going to see in today's video, so please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server Development, performance tuning, and also Power BI as well as DAX and integration services. Now we'll go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand today's video demo. So for today's demo purpose, I have written already script, so we'll try to understand one by one. So we have two tables, one is employee table and a department table. So in the employee table we have, these are the columns: ID, name, salary, department, and this is the sample data. In the department table we have department ID and department name. This is the sample data. So we'll try to execute one by one and we'll see what output we are going to get. Okay, so first I am trying to execute the employee table. So table has been created successfully. Now I am going to insert sample data also. Just click on execute. So data has been inserted successfully. So now I am going to execute one more department table. Just click on department. Okay, good. Now insert this data also. Okay, now we'll try to fire a select statement and we'll see whether data has been inserted successfully or not. Just click on execute. Okay, this is the employee table, this is the department table. So now our requirement is we need to find the employees who are all getting max salary on each department wise. For example, in HR department, so which employee is getting the max salary? In a marketing department, which employee is getting the max salary? So in the sales department, which employee is getting the max salary? So we'll try to see possible ways how to do that. We'll try to see. Now I'm trying to write a select statement. So select from TBL employee. So basically I want to join because we need to find the department as well as salary. Department available in the department table and the salary column available in the employee table. So we need to join both the tables by using inner join. So inner join TBL department table. Okay, so on TBL employee, so we need to give the alias name also, because instead of calling every time table name, so it is good to give the alias name emp and also department on emp dot. So in both the tables, department ID is the common column, so that is the reason I'm giving the, so in the on condition I'm giving the department ID column. So what are the columns we need to fetch here? One is department ID as well as department name and salary column. Okay, so dept dot department ID comma dept dot department name and also salary, but salary column available in the employee table, so we'll try to see that. So emp dot salary. Okay, we'll try to execute now. So we are getting, so each department ID and department salary, but here is I want to find the max salary on each department wise. I want to find the max salary on each department wise. For that I will try to use the group by function. So okay, so I want to find the max salary on each department wise, so that is the reason I'm trying to take the max aggregate function by using group by class. Max salary group by, so dept dot department ID comma dept dot department name. So we'll try to execute this one. Okay, now we are getting the each department wise what is the max salary. Okay, now we are getting the each department wise max salary, but as for our requirement we need to find the employee name also. Okay, we need to find the employee name also. So again we need to join the with employee table, because employee name column is available in the employee table. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm trying to take the help of CT to get the join with employee table. So with, so I'm giving some name for CT demo. So as here, so I'll try to call for timing select star from CTE demo. Actually I am just checking whether it is working or not, so I'm just calling select star from CTE demo. Okay, it's working fine. Now so I want to join with employee table because employee name column available in the employee table. So inner join TBL employee, so EMP and C on C dot department ID is equal to EMP dot department ID, and also C dot max salary is equal to EMP dot salary. Again we need to, so we don't need all columns, so just department name as well as employee name only. And also if you want we can find the salary also, there is no problem at all. So this is the query. We'll try to execute one more time and we'll see the output what we are getting. So now finally we are getting the output. So in HR department, this is the employee getting a more salary. In the marketing department, so this is the employee getting more salary. In the sales department, so this is the employee getting more salary. So we got output, but we need to validate whether it is giving correctly or not. So for that we'll try to run so both the select statement and we'll see, we'll compare with the output so that we can so confirm that so what are the query we are written, so it's giving correct values instead of wrong values. Just click on execute. Okay, now we'll see that. So in HR department we have two records, so Steve and John. Okay, Steve 5,000, because so in these two records, so Steve getting more salary, and also in a marketing department, so water. Okay, good. So in the sales department 5,000 Mike. Okay, I think as for our requirement it's giving correct only. Okay, and also we'll try to find the, so each department wise who is getting minimum salary, same thing, there is no change at all, just we need to change the, instead of taking the max function we need to take the min function, because as for our requirement we need to find the who is minimum salary getting each department wise. So just min function, execute one more time. So now names has been changed because we are finding the minimum salary on each department wise. Okay, this is the one way, because by using common table expression we find the how to find the employees who are all getting max salary and minimum salary. Same thing we can achieve by using the derivative table concept also. Okay, whatever the query we have written, same thing we will try to replicate into the derivative table expression also, so that we can understand same query we can achieve in different ways. Okay, so instead of typing every time I'm trying to take copy this inner query. So sorry. Okay, so I'm just taking into this derivative table, select star from temp. So I'm just giving name, nothing more than that. Okay, we're getting good. Now I am joining with employee table because we need to find the employee name, TBL employee EMP on temp dot department ID is equal to EMP dot department ID, and so temp dot max salary is equal to EMP dot salary. Now instead of fetching all the columns, we'll try to find, so what are the columns you want to display, we can take those columns only. So temp dot department ID, department name, and the salary also temp dot max salary. Okay, just click on execute. Okay, same output. So we'll try to change the names. First I'll keep department name, after that employee name, so that it will be easy to read. So just click on execute. Okay, what's wrong? Yeah, I have placed one comma extra. That's good. Just click on execute. Now you can see that, so this is the department. In HR department, Steve, so employee getting more salary. In the marketing department, Water getting more salary, and sales department, Mike getting the more salary. Okay, even so same output already we have seen by using common table expression, but this time we are able to see the derived tables. Okay, and also we'll try to find by using minimum salaries each department wise. Just a small changes only, there is no major changes. Just click on execute. Now you can see that, so in the HR department, John employee is getting less salary, so in the marketing department also, in the sales department also. Okay, so same query we have a same requirement we have achieved in different ways, like by using CT and by using derived table concept also. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.